Hey traders, Lance here. I want to go over a sector that has seen massive inflows, especially right now when you hear of so much negative unemployment, the stock market in general, all this negative news. Healthcare has been very attractive, and I want to go over some stocks here that are seeing nice moves, and especially if you like options, a 2% move in some of these names can really move those options, which I'm a huge fan of. So let's first look at Pfizer today. This white line is the 200-day moving average. Completely free on every platform. You can just use it kind of as a base of, is the trend bullish or bearish, right? I like using it as well as support and resistance. Pfizer held a 200-day moving average yesterday. Big bounce today. A 1.7% move to the upside is big for a name like Pfizer, okay? And then today, Pfizer had some news. Top line results for phase 3 lot consistency study of 20 valiant, big word, adults 18 through 49. So obviously positive news. That's a big plus for Pfizer here, okay? Even before that news, the stock was already moving up. And then another name I like that I actually put for the 2-Click Profits members, we're about to go 3 for 3, gang, woohoo, is Bristol Myers. Bristol Myers, again, we crossed that 200-day moving average. The trend is moving up. I think this stock can retest 68, if not the high. It doesn't really care what the market is doing, right? Bristol Myers has remained very bullish. The S&P, to give you an example, is down about 5% this week, and Bristol Myers is up every day. Just fantastic. I love easy trades like that. And then one other name I want to go over in the healthcare sector. Actually, I might throw a few out there. I just like throwing some names out there. ABBV, again, cross that 200-day moving average, big move, trending higher. Again, stock's only $7 from the most recent high out there. Okay, we could get into biotechs too, which I want you to remember this. IBB is large cap biotechs, IBB, and it's very top heavy. Names like Regeneron, Biogen really make up the index. But we look at biotechs. What bear market, what economic decline, right? They're right near highs. And then what I like looking at is smaller cap biotechs, which is the Spider XBI biotech ETF. This name, again, right off the highs, okay? Very, very bullish setups. We can contribute this to, obviously, we've had an inflow of money into stock or companies looking for coronavirus vaccines, but also, despite that, you've also had the FDA very, very approval ready and very quick acting to approve drugs and approve the process, which is very bullish for biotech stocks because the faster they can get approval for a drug, the less time they have to burn on cash and wait. People are impatient. They don't want to wait. Investors don't want to wait. They want to boom, 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 right now. I want it right now. So biotechs have been hot. Healthcare has been hot. You look at these names, and then you look at like banks, which I think are just absolutely horrible, especially regional banks. These names haven't even bounced off the lows, right? KRE for the regional banks, it's $5 from the crash low. I just want you to look at the good in the market. Healthcare, biotechs, they're hot, and you're not hearing about them from probably anywhere else out there in the media. So just, if you're worried about the market, don't be stuck looking at, like, let's say the S&P or the IWM. Start looking at names that are strong, that are holding up, and that's where you want to be. Hope the video helps. Lance with the Future of Wealth. Chat soon.